Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to activate screen recording on Poco mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first what you need to do is that you just need to slide down and you can see here is the recorder. Okay, if you want to shift this recorder here, then what you need to do is that you just slide and move on edit option. After that, here is the recorder. You can move this recorder here. Okay, you can move it like that. Okay, and friends, after that you have to click on done. After you have been click on done, you can see if you want to activate the recorder, you can see here's the recorder. Just press on it. When you press on it on the down, you are going to find the source means sound source. So move on the sound source, and if you want to mute the sound while recording, you just click on mute. And if you want to set only the voice external, just click on the sound source and click on the mic. And if you want to use only the internal sound while recording, just click on this system sound. Okay, you can activate it like that. And this is the video quality. If you want to change the video quality, you can change it from here. Okay, you just need to select it. Okay, so let's try to record it. So you just need to click on this red button. After that, you are able to record here right now. And if you want to stop, you just click on this red button. 2 times it will be stopped and the recorder will be saved on your file. Okay, and if you want to quiet this, just click on this X button. It will be quiet. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.